So as you can see, the title is the Geologist Toolbox QGIS plugin. I'm not a geologist, I'm a geophysicist working with a bunch of geologists trying to build a QGIS plugin for 3D modeling. Geologists like going in the field. Imagine you have a tool where before going you can visualize your land and try to do a little bit of annotation. Then you can plan your journey very well and then see whether it matches your expectation somehow. So this project is a collaboration between myself and Grant. On there, he's quite a very known geologist and trying to give people a lot of hands-on in QGIS and even the information in the learning resources as well. So this project is basically looking at the opportunity we have with satellite data and then processing it within QGIS to create regolith images, natural color, and geology data. It involves a lot of pre-processing if you're using QGIS, and if you don't know how to use QGIS, it's pretty much difficult. So what we're producing today is just a plugin that will do it for you. So you only need to load the data and then you have all images for yourself. So just a quick demo and what next if there's more interest in this space. So you can see that's the launch, and then you have the data. You load your data as most softwares. At the moment we're loading the sentinel data, and then you select the band, it does it automatically. Eventually, this is because of the data I've used, so it's know the data set, but it's supposed to train it so that it select the band automatically for you. As long as you have B1, B2, B3, B11, for example, it will pick it up and sort it for you. And then you send it into the conversion to the processing modeler. In QGIS, you have a toolbox called the modeler processing toolbox. So it's kind of designing a schema for your process to start from the beginning to the end. So what the plugin is doing, instead of you building those processes, it does already the process as an algorithm in Python, and then you just push your raw data, and then it does it on the back end, and then show you at the end the result. This is what the result will look like for this specific data type. So the final product will be the three data type you have there. You have a regolith images, geology data, and the natural color image. For a geology, it may mean a lot. And before even going to the field, you can use this plugin and then put the data and then create these images and think of what to do next. And there might be some features that will be interesting for you as a geologist. Then from these results, you can plan which area to tackle first as a geologist to collect your sample, for example, especially in less dense areas where we have rocks appearing, then you can sample very naturally there. And what we're planning to do next is, if there's more interest, is assuming you have that less dense area, and then you can do annotation on, for example, on these blocks that are square blocks, then you can even ask for, if you have a chat box bot, for example, trained on different images to annotate those areas for you, and then when you get into the field, you try to validate whether this is true or not. So it's quite a better way for questioning the area you'll be visiting. And this is a mining page. If you're looking for consulting in this area as well, you can access this information here, or if you're a consultant yourself, you can register, and then it will give you a chance of getting pulled from any companies. Eventually, this need to be smart as well, and mental health involved. So I thought I should share this for you as a sport. If you want to join a team, please talk to me. We are Fury Dragon River, and it's good as a team sport. And if your company as well wants something relaxing, we organize like event on Sundays or Saturdays where you can start paddling, enjoying the scenery of the Canning River. Thank you.